Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you are all doing good and preparing well for your upcoming exams. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about the topic called mixture and allegation. Okay, this video will definitely helpful for the those who are actually started their preparation like beginners and already ప్రిపేర్ అవుతున్న వాళ్ళకైతే ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ అవి తెలిసే ఉంటాయి ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళు పదే పదే క్వశ్చన్స్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు కాబట్టి బట్ దోస్ హు ఆర్ యాక్చువల్లీ స్టార్టెడ్ దే ప్రిపరేషన్ beginners, this video is for you guys, so don't skip the video, watch the video completely. I think it is definitely, this will definitely helpful for you. Okay, and I'm talking in English because suppose if there are non-Telugu people, this video will helpful to the non-Telugu people also. So if there is any grammatical mistake, let me know in the comments. So let's start our concept. First of all, I'm not going to tell you complete the concept and complete detail about the mixture and allegations, but I'll try to explain how to solve the questions in mixture and allegation in a basic approach. Okay, so what mixture and allegation? By listening to the word, we can understand we are trying to mix something, right? So we are mixing substances, like whether it is two substances or more than. So what ratio we are trying to mix, that is what question here. So for example, we have suppose a shop. In a shop, he have two varieties of rices. For example, 10 rupees per kg and 10 rupees per kg and 15 rupees per kg. Okay, he has two varieties of rice, and this is cheap quality and this is high quality, and so people are not buying this variety of rice because of this quality, and people are not buying this because of this high price. So he wanted to mix it with he wanted to mix it and he wanted to mix and sell these two varieties of rices. Okay, so suppose he wanted to sell these two rices in the price 12 rupees. Okay, so here the question is, in what ratio he have to mix to sell the rice in 1 kg per 12 rupees per kg. Okay, first remember, in the mixture and allocation we have to remember one thing. Whenever we are trying to collect the average, it should always be less than the less than one and greater than the other. Okay, just see here, it is 12 is less than 15 and greater than 10. Whether it is price, quantity, whatever it may be, it will always be less than one and greater than the other. Okay, so in what ratio you have to mix? So just 15 minus 12 3 and 12 minus 10 1 2. So he should mix the rice in 3:2 ratio. Okay, so this let's solve some questions, and you can able to understand how to solve the mixture and allegations questions. Okay, first question: in a mixture of milk and water of the volume 60 liters, the ratio of the milk and water in 7:5. Total volume is 60 liters. Okay, ratio is 7:5. So how much quantity of water will be added to make mixture of equal ratio? ఇక్కడ మనం ఈ రేషియోని ఈక్వల్ చేయాలంటే ఎంత క్వాంటిటీ ఆఫ్ లీటర్స్ వాటర్ అనేది యాడ్ చేయాలని చెప్పేసి ఇక్కడ క్వశ్చన్. సో but this is 12 total. If we divide this 12 is equal to 5, so 7 into 5 is equal to 35, 5 into 5 is equal to 25. Milk and water, so we have to equal the quantity. Okay, here we have to add only water, not milk. So we're not gonna change this at all. So we have to add something here. We already know there is a quantity of milk, that is 35 liters. We have to equal this water to the milk. Okay, so then we have to add just 10 liters. Okay, next, second question. In a mixture of milk and water of volume 30 liters, volume is 30 liters, the ratio of the milk and water in the ratio 8:7. How much water should be added in the mixture to make the ratio is 4:5? Initial ratio, and we have to make it 4:5. So here we have to add only water, not milk. So there is no change in this, right? So just make this milk ratio equal, like 8:7, and multiply this to 8:10. Here the difference between these two ratios is 3 parts. Okay, so we already know that we have 30 liters of milk, right? So 30 liters of milk, this total is 15. 30 by 15 is 2. Initial quantity of milk and ratio is 8 into 2 16, and 7 into 2 14, and the final quantity also 8 into 2 16, 10 into 2 20. So here difference is 6 liters. 2. Okay, here 3 parts, 6 liters. Answer is 6 liters. ఓకే, నార్మల్గా తెలుగులో చెప్పాలంటే నాకు ఇంగ్లీష్లో చెప్పడం చాలా కష్టం అవుతుంది. ఏంటంటే ఇనిషియల్ క్వాంటిటీ 8:7 రేషియోలో ఉంది, దాన్ని మనం 4:5 అని చేంజ్ చేయాలి. టోటల్గా ఉన్న క్వాంటిటీ ఏంటంటే 30 లీటర్స్. ఈ 30 లీటర్స్లో మనకి మిల్క్లో అనేది ఎటువంటి చేంజ్ ఉండదు. కాకపోతే వాటర్లో మనం ఏం చేయాలంటే ఓన్లీ వాటర్ని యాడ్ చేసి ఇనిషియల్గా ఉన్న ఈ రేషియోని మనం ఈ రేషియోకి తీసుకురావాలి. అంటే ఇక్కడ 4:5 అయ్యింది, కానీ దాంట్లో మిక్స్చర్లో ఉన్న మిల్క్ క్వాంటిటీ అనేది చేంజ్ లేదు. మనం ఓన్లీ వాటరే యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి సో ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది, ఇక్కడ మనం వాటర్ రేషియోని ఈక్వల్ చేసుకుంటే 8:7 8:10 అయింది. ఇక్కడ ఈ రేషియోని మనం ఎప్పుడైతే దీంతో మల్టిప్లై చేసామో మన యొక్క డిఫరెన్స్ తీసుకుంటే మనం ఎంత వాటర్ అనేది యాడ్ చేసామో తెలుస్తుంది. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. ఇన్ వాట్ రేషియో మస్ట్ ఆయిల్ ఎట్ 62 per kg 62 per kg mixed with 72 per kg so that the mixture must be worth of 64.5. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ చెప్పాను కదా. సో లైక్ దిస్ 72 minus 64.5. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ 7.5 and this is 2.5. so 3:1 ratio, 75:25, 3:1 ratio. Next, fourth question. So a mixture of milk and water measures 60 liters, volume వచ్చేసి 60 liters. It contains 20% of water. 20% of water అంటే that means milk and water. 20% means 12 liters. 12 liters and 48. Ratio 2:4. So 1:4. 1:4. So how many liters of water should be added? So it is that water may be 25%. అంటే మనం వాటర్ని ఈ క్వాంటిటీలో వాటర్ని మొత్తం 25% చేయాలి. We have to make the water quantity in the total quantity is 25%, so that we can understand milk quantity is 75%, right? So 325 times 3 18 times. Okay, so 25% is 18. We have already 12 liters, so 18 minus 12 is equal to 6 liters. So we have to add 6 liters of water. Okay, fifth question. In what ratio must a grocer mix two variety of pulses, 15 rupees and 20 rupees kg respectively. So as to get a mixture worth of 16.5 rupees. Okay, just subtract it 3.5 and 1.5. This is 3:7 ratio. Okay, I hope you understand. So try this question and let me know the answer in the comment section. I hope this will definitely helpful to you. So yeah, thank you so much, guys.